let us have a conversation about the Linux file system hierarchy. The Linux file system hierarchy organizes files and directories in a structured manner, resembling the layout of a tree. At the very top of this hierarchy is the root directory, represented by a /. Just like the roots of a tree provide a foundation, the root directory serves as the base for the entire file system. Imagine the root directory as the starting point, branching out into various directories that serve different purposes. For example, the bin directory contains essential user binaries, which are executable programs commonly used by regular users. These binaries play a crucial role in day-to-day operations. Similarly, the boot directory holds bootloader files, responsible for initiating the operating system during startup. These files ensure that the system can start up successfully and load the necessary components. The dev directory contains device files, which represent various hardware devices connected to the system. Interacting with these device files allows programs to communicate with devices like printers, disks, and input-output devices. System configuration files reside in the etc. directory. These files contain settings and configurations for different aspects of the system, such as network settings, user accounts, and software configurations. Modifying these files can alter system behavior and customization. User home directories are located in the home directory. Each user on the system has a dedicated subdirectory within home that serves as their personal space to store files, documents, and personal settings. It provides a private area for users to manage their data. The lib directory contains shared libraries, which are collections of code that multiple programs can use simultaneously. These libraries provide essential functionality and resources required by various software applications. Mounting removable media devices, such as USB drives or CDs, is facilitated by the media directory. When a device is connected, it gets mounted under a subdirectory within media, allowing easy access to the device's contents. Temporary mount points are created in the mnt directory. This directory provides a location to temporarily mount additional file systems or network shares for the duration of their usage. The op directory is designated for optional software packages. It provides a location for installing additional software that is not part of the core system. These packages can be third-party applications or specialized software that is not included by default. The proc directory contains virtual files that represent information about processes, system resources, and kernel settings. It allows users and programs to access real-time information and configure certain aspects of the system. The root directory serves as the home directory for the root user, which is the system administrator. It provides a private workspace for the root user to perform administrative tasks and manage system configurations. Runtime data, such as temporary files and system state information, can be found in the run directory. This directory is used by running processes and services to store data during system operation. System binaries, essential for system administration and maintenance, reside in the spin directory. These binaries are typically executable programs that perform critical system tasks and are usually limited to administrative users. The SRV directory contains service data, which is data specific to services provided by the system. This directory acts as a storage location for data related to services like web servers, FTP servers, or other network services. The sys directory provides a view of the system's hardware devices, drivers, and kernel settings. It exposes information and configuration options related to the system's hardware and serves as an interface to interact with the kernel. Temporary files are stored in the TMP directory. These files are created and used by running programs or scripts for temporary data storage, such as caching, intermediate processing, or temporary file sharing between processes. User programs are installed in the USR directory. It contains a wide range of subdirectories that hold user-installed applications, libraries, documentation, and other resources. This directory forms a significant part of the file system and provides a structured organization for user programs. Variable data, such as logs, databases, and application-specific files that change frequently, are stored in the var directory. It serves as a repository for data that varies in size and content over time, reflecting the dynamic nature of the system. In summary, the Linux file system hierarchy encompasses a well-organized structure that categorizes files and directories based on their purpose. It ensures logical organization, easy access, and efficient management of system resources, enabling Linux systems to operate smoothly and reliably.